This video is the first video showing you how to check that your motor driver chip is working properly. This video is all about checking that your power supplies are working properly. You're going to need two power supplies. One is supplied directly off the Arduino board. So you need one wire connect to the positive rail of your breadboard from the 5 volt pin on your Arduino board. You can see that here with this red wire. You're going to need another wire connected to the ground pin on your Arduino board that connects to the ground rail on your breadboard. Then you're going to need your 3 AA battery pack. It has a common ground with the Arduino, so you need to have the negative wire, the black wire from the power pack, also connect to the ground rail. The positive rail from the power supply needs to be connected anywhere where these yellow wires are connected on the board. So this point here is fine. Before we do any other tests, we check that the power supplies are working. So to do this, you need to hold your black probe to the ground rail, and let's first test the Arduino power supply. If I touch it here to the positive rail, you can see that the voltmeter shows 4.94 volts, which is pretty close to 5 volts, which is what I'd expect. You can also check the 3 AA battery pack. If you touch the red probe to any of the points where the red wire should be connecting, you should get about 4.5 volts, which you can now see on the multimeter. For all of the tests, you're going to have your multimeter set on 20 volts DC. If these two power supplies are showing 5 volts and 4.5 volts respectively, you need to try to figure out where the fault is. You may haven't turned on your power supply as one possible solution.